the effects of all the saboteurs and the corruption happening around Rizal. I'm a big figure already in our online industry. And you know how the province and the country benefits from my career is how they get their commission out of my earnings through going online every single day, or uh, for all those posts I posted, and I'm still posting, and I will be posting all throughout those already 20 years and onwards. You know how much do I earn a day? Well, only the spirit world knows, and they dictates how much I really earn. I truly earn for all those days and months and years and hours I began this career. Since the Yahwehism, nope. Since the mm, yeah, to be able to beat the enemy, we must testify. Even our sinfulest sin. But I didn't have any, so my story wasn't as good as Jesus, as good as the murderers, as good as the saboteurs, as good as the corrupt people, uh, industry organization, and those who said will serve our country, but otherwise, yeah. Uh, on the second, no, on okay, the exact reverse actually happened. Those who thought that they were actually serving the country by corruption, by saboteur, by violations, by transgression. That's how we got this kind of Gabriela mode and the Bonifacio mood. That's why we are still fighting for what's right for our country, for our provinces. And but yeah, yung isinabay na nga lahat ng karangyaan, lahat ng kasaganaan, but must be bought. Must be bought. Kailangan namin bilhin. Nasa nakawan nga, nasa mga kamay nyo nga yung mga pambili namin. Hindi kami masilbihan. Hindi ma-deliver ang mga goods namin without altercation, without arguments, without yung napupudpud na yung daliri namin sa kaka-create ng lahat ng mga moves sa aming mga computers. Pero, to no avail. Up to now, ang sabi ko, walang pera, pero may swiping machine, may ATM cards, may Android phones. Walang pera, kaya yan. However, kung yung ATM, hindi mo naman lalagyan ng 1,000,000 man lang bawat tao, ng 1,000 pesos per head a day, ng allowance para sa atoya, anong magagawa ng modern technology na yan? Babalik kayo sa cash. Ano yung cash? Maglilinis ka ng kubeta sa kapitbahay mo, babayaran ka ng 5 piso. O, magwawalis ka ng bakura ng kapitbahay mo, babayaran ka ng 50 pesos. Magja-general cleaning ka ng bahay ng kapitbahay mo, babayaran ka ng 100 piso o 200. Ay naku, ganyan ang buhay na gusto nyo Pero pare-pareho tayo apektado. Hindi ko pa rin magawa na mag-hire ng employees para sa aking mall, para sa aking real estate project. Kasi, asan ang puhunan ko? Nasa kamay ng mga yan. Paano? Lahat naka-ready na po. Modern tech, real estate, great is perspectives, lahat ng mga landscape, machineries, mga modern approach and technique sa pagtatanim ng mabilis na pagbunga ng mga bungang kahoy, gulay. Kahit nakita nyo, kahit billions of citizens meron na isang bansa, kayang-kaya lang ng agricultural ano natin ngayon, modern approach and treatment and techniques. 'Di ba? Pero asan ang pera para mas lalo pa tayo na makaabot doon sa mga hindi na naaabot ng ating mga agricultural product deliveries. Walang cable cars. Tesla lang eh. Lahat ng gusto natin meron eh. Kaso nga yung mga kwarta namin eh. Hawak nyo, ang pupurol naman ang utak nyo. Hindi kayo nakakasabay sa Omegan era na to. Kahit pa nga sabing hindi pa Omegan era, Omega na ang problema ang kinreate ninyo. Huwag nyo